I wanted to share a little bit more insight into our Matrix system. It is a multi-application radio frequency device that has 3 different applicators. So the first one I'm going to speak with you about is going to be our Sublime, which has infrared and radio frequency. It's great for superficial bulk heating that's non-invasive to treat wrinkles, fine lines. I also like to refer to it as a gym membership. It's great to help with preventative maintenance or even help maintain and enhance the results of some of the other applicators that I'm going to speak about here in just a second. Then next up is sublative. We have had it on so many platforms. Our accounts love it. They really can't say enough about it. It is bipolar radio frequency, fractionated RF for skin resurfacing. And it's microablative, which means it only ablates 5% of the surrounding tissue. So it's great for skin resurfacing when you're treating stretch marks, pore size, acne scars, safe for all skin types. I really also like it for treating like underneath the eyes, upper eyelids. There's obviously a lot of different things that you can do with it. I could speak, till I'm blue in the face on it. Then we have my favorite applicator on that platform, which is the Matrix Pro. So a lot of people have heard negative feedback about RF microneedling, and there's some other competitors on the market that I think play a big part in that. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that they don't have real-time impedance feedback. So they're going into areas where it's too deep, and they're removing fat or they're removing filler where they don't want to remove it. And then you're finding out way later because you're not getting any kind of impedance reading to measure that in real time. Well, Matrix Pro has real-time impedance feedback. So you know if you're in fat when you want to be in fat or when you don't, so you can adjust the settings. It also will tell you if you're too superficial and you don't have the needles fully inserted, so less potential to actually burn somebody. Another thing I really love about it is that we have surgical grade stainless steel needles. And we are the only company that has those. Everyone else gold plated, less potential for, an adverse event because of the allergy to the nickel and gold. And then more importantly, the ultra thin needles. So you're also getting less resistance when you're penetrating the skin, which makes it more comfortable for the patient, less potential for bruising, and your patients are gonna love it. And then in addition to what I was mentioning about the impedance feedback, it also just helps ensure that you're getting consistent results. So it should take a lot of your guys' concerns about RF microneedling right off the table. If you have any interest in learning more about it, send me a DM and we can set up a call or an in-person meeting. Thanks.